A 51-year-old truck driver from Mexico is being held in the Bell County Jail after an 18-wheeler struck a patrol unit as a trooper was conducting a traffic stop earlier this morning. Israel Reyes was arrested for driving while intoxicated with an open container and failure to slow down or move over for an emergency. The incident happened around 1 this morning on I-35 near mile marker 295 on the south edge of Temple. The trooper conducting a traffic stop just made an arrest and was seated inside the patrol unit along with the arrested person when an 18-wheeler struck the left side of that patrol unit. No injuries were reported. However, the patrol unit was damaged along with the Mercedes vehicle owned by the man who was under arrest.